5 ways to video showing you 5 ways to use like the free kit that comes with a magazine. So this is Crafter's Inspiration issue 21, and these cards are using the freebie along with some of the Harmony ink pads from Spectrum Noir and some of the sparkle pens from Spectrum Noir as well. And this is the Floral Garden colour set of pens, and I've also used the Damson Wine, Fuchsia, Lemon Tonic and Chinese Red of the Harmony ink pads. And it's just a few different ways of how to use the freebies, which are this stamp set, which has got this doily image and then some sort of more vintagey looking images with the pocket watch and the key and the Eiffel Tower, bird cage, feather, hot air balloon, and then some little tiny images and obviously words as well. And then you get this gorgeous stencil. It's a really nice design. I really like this one. I had great fun playing with it as well. And you also get this die. Mine's still got some card in because I just finished making these cards. So this is this happy die, and if you notice it stops cutting here and here, so you can have it as a header on your card, or you can create a box around it and create a shaker like I have here, or you could even cut the letters off separately or make them curve around something as well. So that is what you get, and these are the cards that I have done with them. So I'll show you these two first. This is like the positive and negative technique. This one's a shaker card as well, just behind the word happy. So I've placed down the stencil onto my cardstock, then I've used the 4 colours of Harmony inks to ink blend over the top. And I found a sort of pouncing or twisting motion is best, and you got to get a really crisp result. It doesn't seem to move too much, which is really good. And then, so that's the positive, and then you take the stencil off, move it away, spray it with water, flip it over onto another piece of card, and you get the negative, which is obviously a lot paler because it's only the ink that was left on the stencil and not the ink straight from the ink pad. But that's the kind of look you can get, and I've got a couple more when I was cleaning up from other cards. I got them as well. So that's the positive and negative using the stencil. Then I did this one using the sparkle pens to create a washy background, and then just using the happy as a sort of happy on a line border. And I just thought happy just for this card. Just lovely bright colours, make you feel happy, and you've got that gorgeous sparkle pen in the background. And I did a little bit of stenciling with the Harmony ink pads as well, just to give some interest to the background. And I used one of the Harmony ink pads, and then I also stamped with the dark orange, oh no, it's actually red. It's called Barn Door, out of the Floral Garden sparkle pens. I stamped the quarter doily twice again over the top. It didn't come out that crisply, but I think it just adds something to the background. And then finally I did 2 more cards. This was using the shaving foam technique and the sparkle pens. So you squirt out a load of shaving foam into a dish, and you spread it out a little bit, and then you take your sparkle pens, you drip on the colour, you just squeeze the barrel and drip out some of the colour. Then I used a bone folder to swirl it around. Then I took this print. I also took another print as well, which is slightly paler, but you can still see that gorgeous sparkle still comes through from the sparkle pens. Then I used all of the leftover shaving foam and got the stencil and got an old gift card and scraped the rest of the shaving foam over the stencil, so the colour still comes through and leaves the white stencil behind. And I've got a second version here, and I even made another card too, just using that one as well. And also on this card I decided I wanted a little bit of extra interest, so I took the stencil and ink blended it as well. It's very sort of optical illusion-y, because at some points you see the flowers and at some points you only see the marbling of the sparkle pens. But I really like that one. It came out really nicely. So that's my 5 ways of using one of these sort of box kit magazine things that that lots of people bring out, and this is for issue 21 of Crafters Inspiration. And there will also be 3 videos up on my main channel showing how I made these cards as well. There's one showing the shaving foam, there's one showing the positive and negative, and then there's one showing this card as well. So I hope you enjoy them too, and thank you for watching. Bye!